Hello, my name is Paul Wilson and I am here with my colleague David Clement. We are the engineers in control. This is the 13th talk in our series Control Systems 101. In talk number 13 we are going to resolve a feedback loop block diagram into a single transfer function. This is a very important piece of theory that we use constantly in practice. The single closed loop transfer function allows us to accurately determine the behaviour of our control loop. We will end up with a simple formula which is one to remember: G over 1 plus GH. We have a feedback loop with a forward path transfer function which we label GS. And that's the forward path transfer function. And we have a feedback path transfer function which we label H of S. And we have a summing junction a set point which we label there, and a process variable which we label there, and the process variable is subtracted from the set point. The difference between the two we usually label E for error, and the output we label CV. So here are the equations. E is the set point minus the process variable. CV is G of S multiplied by E. And the process variable is H of S multiplied by CV. So, E is the set point minus H of S multiplied by CV, and therefore E equals CV over G of S. So if we work through the maths, and we get CV over G of S equals set point minus H of S multiplied by CV. So CV equals the set point multiplied by G of S minus G of S multiplied by H of S multiplied by CV. So CV into 1 plus G of S multiplied by H of S equals set point multiplied by G of S. Therefore, CV over the set point is G of S over 1 plus G of S, H of S. So let's just write that down again. CV over set point is G of S over 1 plus G of S, H of S. And that gives us the closed loop transfer function, the system transfer function, which is this set point. CV G over 1 plus GH. And that's an equation that all control systems engineers understand, and you just memorize it, you just remember it. G over 1 plus GH. Well, that is the end of talk number 13. We hope you have learnt something from this talk, and I hope you join us again for talk number 14. In talk number 14 we are going to review everything in talks 1 to 13. We will also discuss the importance in practical terms and how it impacts control systems work on site and in the field. Thank you for listening, and we hope you will join us for talk number 14. The engineers in control are Dr. Paul Wilson and David Clement. You can find out more about us at www.engineersincontrol.com. Unless explicitly stated, all content in this video is original and is copyright 2022 by Dr. Paul Wilson and David Clement. All rights reserved.